Caveman.
Pakinggan madam, ha? Selfie. Cover photo na. Nice. Funny face. Okay, madam, you can turn on our spotlight. It's working. Thank you. So good afternoon, everyone. So welcome in the underground river. Puerto Princesa Subterranean River National Park. Hello. Morning. Buenos dias. Another survivors. Ito yung Puerto Princesa Subterranean River National Park. Longest navigable underground river po. One of the 7 wonders of nature. Oh, watch your head po ha. Watch the stone. Baka mauntog po kayo ha. Mabasag yung bato. Sayang yung nature. Joke. Okay, so yung turn natin ngayon guys, 1.5 kilometers po. And it takes around more or less 45 minutes. Yung flying is busy, you hear making click noise. Birds po yan, madam. Balin sasayaw, you know? Swallow, they made an edible bird's nest, yung gumagawa ng edible nest that is very expensive, di ba? Yan yung Chinese favorite, baling sasayaw. Okay, sir. Okay, so itong mouth ng kuweba po, ito yung entrance and exit of our tour, ha? Mag-u-turn lang tayo inside at some tunnels are also here. So if you have some questions, you can ask me, ha? Dito lang naman ako at the back. Hindi ko kayo iniwanan. If our boat not moving, you know it.
You know.
I'm lost. Kaya lingon-lingon na lang pag may time, ha? Okay, yung gray color stone po, you see around us, on your right side, madam, making up our wall, we call it limestone, yung gray color, yan, this one. Or batong apog in Tagalog local name, ha? And then above your head, yellowish or white color there, we call it naman a cave formations. Considered po as the stalactites, stalagmites, column, and flowstone. Dip, dip. Oh, dyan na.